Hadio pet kotoma agwela naran Ellen Grace Odeke, nyesi eke onitebe, etetemitosi kesi akiro, konye akauloke, mam kesi apotu ibo ikinos, kwape alimoritor council.
Chairman should write a letter to the council requesting them for us to sit and agree on rates, because we have not agreed on rates they have given us. People are willing to pay like nothing, but the rates are too high for us. Compare on those rates we are going to visit those markets. Because Busia was from 15 to 45. Tororo, those people also were having the proposed rates. Then in Bale, from 15 to 40, basing on the location where you are. The higher you go up, the cheaper rate you pay. But now for us, we are saying in Soroti, why really us in that high rate? Yet we are even people who have been having insurgencies here.
Agwela nara kiche kesi abakasi, mamchut etia ingol, epedor, nara epu ikapunun.
That is every month, like me, in my line, corridors. That is 163,000 every month. And they want us to pay 5 months, that is 819, which we can't afford.
I am seeing this because it's not really proper. Why? They never consulted us whose research are running. So I still complain that please, the council to look upon us.
Konye Apollo Kinton Esokoni lo Apollon Oibuga Soroti. George William Eriebat, Nyesi Abala, Mam Ebe Etapegun, Nu Etutub council.
But let's not use violence. It will not work. Let's use you know what the barwa, nobody want to reminder. You people were informed. What did you do? Yeah, they will not blame us.
Yeah.
So let's speed up. They draft a letter. What about at least today? That I mando don't get a law officer down. Get our tendency signal touching.
Yes. Kosodi na Apollo Kit Agwela nar Kosokoni, Ellen Muzaki, Nyesi Abala Ebe, Nu etutu bitosi kesi berengun, konye echamuntosi kesi au misio nu itunga.
The agreed parties who are signed, but those who are willing to go by the registration. The registration is continuing today at 2 p.m. Come with together, let's cooperate, let's address those fears. You have the leadership here that will help you. Otherwise, any other consultations, my office is there where I can guide you. Otherwise, there are those who registered and up to now, some have not picked their advice forms. Yes, the guideline is very clear that says that the rates should be in agreement and consultation with the vendors. We will come so early.
Petwa Anyemuto, TV East.